Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers, cheap Calabasas, local and long distance movers near me. Searching for a trustworthy and cheap Calabasas moving company ought to be simple. 3 Movers makes things much easier if you want to complete a local or long distance move. With our team, you will get the moving help you want for your commercial or residential move. Our clients include all types of people from students to renters, from property owners to business owners. Whether you need to move your company or your house, our team is prepared to assist you. Our professional movers know how to ensure that your long distance move will not include all the worry. We will help you relocate to the next state over or all the way across the USA. The best moving services help make all the difference, and our staff provides just what you need for your upcoming relocation. Hiring us guarantees you receive access to all the basic long distance moving services and all of the following: packing and unpacking, supplying packing material, always on time, and transparent pricing. Choosing a local California moving company may seem unnecessary initially. A local moving company provides many advantages, which can make it well worth the cost. A reliable moving company is going to help you preserve time regardless of how far you're moving. Minimizing the heavy lifting also gives an additional advantage you get from working with the right local movers. Our team of experienced movers will definitely ensure your move is extremely efficient. Moving day gets so much simpler with 3 Movers since we improve your whole entire move. Even when your move is so big that it'll take you all week, we can get it done in less than one day. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Calabasas moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.